Good morning. Welcome to Easy English 365. This is day 6. Today our topic is making breakfast. Before we start, let us remember our daily anchor sentence. A good breakfast gives me energy for the day. Today we will learn how to talk about making breakfast in the morning. Food is important, and a simple breakfast helps you feel strong and ready. Let us learn some new words. Breakfast. I eat breakfast every morning. Kitchen. I cook in the kitchen. Pan. I cook eggs in a pan. Egg. I like to eat boiled eggs. Bread. I eat 2 slices of bread. Toast. I make toast for breakfast. Butter. I put butter on my toast. Jam. I like strawberry jam on my bread. Coffee. I drink a cup of hot coffee. Tea. My sister drinks green tea. Milk. I pour milk into my cereal. Cereal. Cereal is a quick breakfast. Bowl. I eat cereal from a bowl. Spoon. I use a spoon to eat cereal. Fry. I fry an egg in the pan. Boil. I boil water for my tea. Pour. I pour coffee into my mug. Hungry. I feel hungry in the morning. Delicious. This breakfast is delicious. Energy. Food gives me energy. Now, let us learn some useful everyday sentences. I go to the kitchen in the morning. I feel hungry after I wake up. I want to make a simple breakfast. I take 2 slices of bread. I put the bread in the toaster. I make hot toast for breakfast. I put butter and jam on the toast. I fry an egg in a hot pan. I boil water for my morning tea. I pour hot water into my cup. I drink a cup of black coffee. I pour cold milk into my bowl. I eat cereal with a spoon. Breakfast is my favorite meal. I sit at the kitchen table. The food smells delicious. I eat slowly and enjoy my food. A good breakfast gives me energy. I wash my bowl and spoon after eating. Now I am ready for the day. You are doing a wonderful job. Learning words about your daily life makes English very easy to remember. Keep going. Let us listen to a short story about David. David goes to the kitchen at 7 o'clock. He feels hungry. He wants to make a simple breakfast. First, he takes 2 slices of bread and makes hot toast. He puts butter and strawberry jam on the toast. Next, he fries an egg in a hot pan. He also boils water and pours it into a cup for his morning tea. He sits at the kitchen table. He eats his toast and egg and drinks his hot tea. The food is delicious. David feels happy because a good breakfast gives him energy for the day. Let us review some important words from today. Breakfast, kitchen, pan, egg, bread, toast, butter, jam, coffee, tea, milk, cereal, bowl, spoon, fry, boil, pour, hungry, delicious, energy. Now, let us review some useful sentences. I go to the kitchen in the morning. I fry an egg in a hot pan. I pour cold milk into my bowl. A good breakfast gives me energy. Remember our daily anchor sentence. A good breakfast gives me energy for the day. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you have a wonderful morning. Remember to eat something delicious and start your day with energy. See you tomorrow for day 7. Tomorrow, in day 7, we will talk about checking the weather. Have a great day.